It's really important to us to recognise the past and also recognise where we've come from with the original Range Rover that was launched back in 1970, designed prior to that, Charles Spencer King, taking the concept of making a Land Rover a more premium product, and it took off and actually was on its own in the marketplace and had no competition. Since then we've seen 4 generations go through, 1990s through to the 2001 introduction, and then now we've got this fantastic new product that's built upon all of the heritage and history and DNA that we've built up over those years, and here we are, and we've got another fantastic part of the story.